Okay. So man, this is another meat grinder, except I set it the hard difficulty. So essentially, I don't have a flashlight. I only got a lighter.
Yes.
So eventually, when I do go squealing like a little
Wanna touch it
child,
too?
thank you for just screaming in my ear, you will know why.
Okay.
And you will soon find out
Careful.
how freaking scary
Be
this
delicate
is.
with that. It deserves it. It loves it. Oh, be careful with that.
Please do not.
Very valuable.
Stand around.
Good. A real weapon. Good. Good. Meathead, table for one.
This is not good. This is really not good. I do not like this. It makes it 1,000 times scarier. Oh, a large cage. I swear, if a trucker comes running around the side of that wall, I'm going to piss myself. You know what? I'm walking around with this, not dealing with any of this. Ooh, me likey. Okay, trap room.
This was one of my favorites.
Oh, fuck. You know what? Die. Potato. Email flipping time. Why'd I fire a smoke shell?
That device is special. Kind of like you. Only, well, actually special.
Eat my white, fluffy. I'm not gonna say the word that I want.
Your penchant for thievery is paying off.
Yeah. Nope, no. Just walked in a goddamn circle. They played us like a goddamn fiddle. Oh god, I do not like this. Oh.
This is cold storage. Nothing to worry about here. So just chill. Chill.
Whoa! Sweet Jesus! Oh, why do I just have a frick load of smoke shells? Die. How do I put myself through this shit?
Okay, you do know how to use that, yes? Please don't ruin this for me.
Okay. Oh! Sorry I've been so damn quiet, just... As you can see, this is... I can't see shit.
All that? What is...
Man, this is necessary as hell.
You know, I don't think I've ever told you this before, but when I was a child, I used to close my eyes at night and dream
Oh,
about...
unless I got a shotgun.
A large, menacing door!
A large menacing door. If you... I mean, this would actually probably make a really good game show now that I think of it. Like, well, besides the fact that people dying. But like, what if there's 3 balloons on them and the hot dogs were like robots that had airsoft guns?
Wanna touch it too?
You know what I mean? So the airsoft guns would have to pop the 3 balloons, 3 to 4 balloons, essentially symbolizing their life.
Okay, you do know how to use that, yes? Please don't ruin this for me.
And I am going to blow some fat mother truckers up. Thank you. Oh yeah, I heard some noise that way. I'm not going that way.
See? Don't ever say I'm not kind. Helpful. Brilliant. Handsome. Thoughtful.
Oh, sweet mercy. Yeah, not going through that. Okay. Okay. Breadcrumb trail. A really low budget. Oh shit! Oh god, no, not those! Oh god, no, not those! Oh shit! Oh mercy! Oh god! I hate those! Oh shit! Oh mercy! Oh. I'm not
This
up
is cold
for your
storage. Nothing to worry about here. So just chill. Chill.
You know what? Okay, nope. Nope. I guess I can't kill those. It's not gonna get an incendiary grenade. They're fucking... Oh no! I swear. Oh, I hate this one. For people who do not know, this one can spawn a gun, a pistol, I think some sort of melee device, and then it could spawn a buzzsaw creature. Oh, I am actually shaking right now, like, as you can freaking see.
The penetrative capabilities. Oh, I have to sit down.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to freaking use that. I fucking hate those. Oh god, I hate those machines. Ah. Like Scooby-Dooby-Doo running away from them. I do not like this. There's it blown up. Cobain. Really fucking smart.
Boiler? I hardly knew her! But seriously, I knew all of them pretty well.
Oh yeah, Rocky Balboa up in here. Oh! No, I'm trapped! I'm trapped! I really do not like those. I do not like this either.
Particularly devious.
Oh! Is that a silencer? That's a clip. Oh, suck it! Pumping. Hell yeah! Eat it! I'm no longer afraid of those drones. Oh. I think this is a Thomas machine. It's a Thomas shotgun. Shoved it in his mouth and blew it up. Don't take that out of context. It's extraordinarily weird out of context.
I must confess, part of me wants you to freeze to death. But good luck.
This is for all the time to scare the shit. I guess it doesn't do as much damage with this. But it does feel ever so good to hit a hot dog in the back of the head. The fact that a hot dog has a head, and that the fan's going on in my roof. Room. Woo! And that I have not found a single shred of. I keep on forgetting.
Not see that coming.
I got two of them out. I do not like this. I think I gotta take a break. Okay. After I go kill someone with one of these.
Oh, finally you're awake. May have used too much poison on you, Captain Sleepy Meats. Let's move it. No time to lose.
Okay. I'm going hunting. Okay. Yep.
Okay, careful. Be delicate with that. It deserves it. It loves it.
Who's ready for the spotlight now? So after this few kills, I'm going to take a break. I play another game. And just saying, I will be doing... I know there's a meatball behind me. That's why I ran in here. 6. Please don't drop me down with like a bomb. I know you're right there. Even though I know he's right there, I still get a kick out of it. Wait, what? Firefight you want? Well, I think that's enough for today, guys. So, bye. Hope you have a good afternoon. And...